Will you give your heart away to the one who holds the day? Will you serve with open hands in the stranger's barren lands? Will you see the face of grace in the weary and displaced? Love the Lord with all your might. Love your neighbor in his light. Every step a sacred call. Love the greatest gift of all. Will you bind the broken heart when it tears your own apart? Will you lift the heavy load on another?